We start with the cushion sofa over here, sofa set, because this will may take a long, maybe lengthy process. This will be.
Okay.
So we start with this so that we give maximum time to our sofa fabric,
Okay.
and then we continue with other fabrics.
Fine.
Once some network problem is I'm facing over here. Can you hear me
Okay.
properly?
I can hear it. I
Okay.
can hear.
You can see my computer screen.
I can see your computer screen.
All right,
I
all
can.
right. Let's continue that. Let's continue that. So let me check. Connected. Okay, and I close this. I don't need anything else. All right, let's continue. No problem. So we start with a simple material and then we go for the advance. Okay. Stick V-ray material. V-ray material. All right.
Yeah.
V-ray material, and this will be my sample. This will be my material. I also have collected few textures. Let me start those textures and some good bump map images for my fabric. Let
Fine.
me start that. TDS Max, material, final, bump map, fabric. These all textures are there in your folder, not texture folder which I have provided you, na?
Yes, sir. I
You
will
will
just check
get
it. But
you will get
I'll
all these materials over there.
1 second. I'll check it.
Only thing is that I had make a separate group of fabric. It will be like with the all other materials over there.
Yeah, this one I think. This one, no? Not the fabric is. This is what you have said me.
Ignore. No, don't see the folder name. These textures are from the same folder, from the same this file which I have
Okay.
saved. Only thing I did, I make a separate folder and I just saved all the fabrics separately.
Okay.
See
But have
this.
you sent it to me, sir?
Yes. These are with you.
That's what I'm saying. The texture. This is not there. Oh, that interiors I have to say. Okay. Fine. Fine.
For
Yes.
interior, just see
Here you have taken the fabric separately and kept it. That's it.
separately. Yes.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Only thing I did, I just make a separate folder for fabric, and just black and white images I collected, and
Okay.
few color images.
Fine. That's fine. Understood.
Okay, so this
And
texture are with you also. See this kind
okay.
of
Yes. Yes.
we can use for the rug.
Okay.
The fur will be properly, or some
Uh,
random. It will be look like a
Random it
random.
will. Yes. Yes. Okay.
So we can use this for
Okay.
this for the wrinkles. Maybe if we do the leather kind of effect for
Okay.
wrinkles, we can use this kind of.
Okay.
So this we're going to do with our curtain and all. We're
Okay.
going to use such texture.
Okay.
This one for the cushions.
Okay.
This are going to be the masking for our composite material.
Fine.
This black and white patches kind of, see this one. This
Okay.
will act as a masking for composite. We will use this
Okay.
first. What we can do, we can start a simple. We can start with simple texture. Wait. I have selected few textures where I have to start with. Give me a second. No? Let's start with this only.
Right. Okay.
Nice. You can see the stitches over there. Nice thread. You can see properly.
Yes. Yes.
We try to create this. What you say fabric. Then we will try to do with the what you say like leather kind of effect.
Okay.
First we will do like cloth effect.
Okay.
We'll take one, we'll take light and dark. We this same step which we did before. Try to use that only. First, what I can do, I can just apply one texture, diffuse,
Okay.
select one object. It's a group, open. I will do with only one, and then I will repeat it. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, I can isolate this. It will be easy to focus.
Okay. Correct.
Alright, simple cloth material is applied, no?
Okay.
I think UV is already there, so it will be helpful to you.
Okay.
UV is already there, so
Fine.
alright. Let's just focus on texturing. So simple cloth material is there. Alright, let's create little interesting pattern. Alright, so what we can do, this is simple, normal. Now we can use composite to make some good effects. Composite, yes, we can have at least 2 layers, 1 and 2. Layer 1 and then layer 2.
Okay.
Same process I'm doing.
It's in the map. Second one is it's in the map.
Acha, it's masking. I just
Should be there
yes.
too. So.
Right. Color correction. Okay, I will make little darker. I will not change this one. I will go to advanced and gamma. I will make it 0.7. First we will take 0.7 and then we'll try to change later on.
Fine.
And for mask, here we have to give mask. I have selected something. Let's see, not this. Let's say this one.
Okay.
There are many. If this didn't give me good work or good output, then we can switch to some another. Yes, of course, we have so many.
Yes.
Let's try with anyone.
Okay.
Let's try and see mask. Alright, now it's not giving me any effect over here. Some very little effect is coming.
Yes.
Let's see, let's just apply and see. If not, then we'll try to change it.
Okay.
Now I will just apply this on my diffuse. There are dark and light pattern is there, but it's not very much visible. Let's try to modify it a little bit.
Okay.
Let's try to choose the dark value. See, now it is properly visible, no?
Oh yeah.
But it is too dark. Don't try to make too dark, because here it might look not very dark, but when you render it, it will go very dark. So this point, just to make you see what effect we are getting over here.
Okay.
So it's coming properly, what we have planned is coming proper way. Alright, so what I can do, I will not get too dark, 0.6. You know what, I have also doing some R&D on this. I was trying to render it with only SDRI map.
Okay.
Because what happened, whatever we do over here, we wait until we make the final render setting and lighting and all, then we will test the texture. So what I was just thinking, why not we do it right now? At least we put one light, at least SDRI, and see what effect we are getting. At least some 50% will get how it will look.
Correct, sir. So that we can do it. That we can do it with the environmental on, sir.
Yes. Of course. With environment,
if you switch on the environmental on, you can render that directly.
Yes.
I used to do for many projects, sir.
Yes. Yeah. See, the different people have different options, so I'm more comfortable with this dome light. Dome light, because I can control the intensity there
Intensity there. Yes. You
and
can
the
up.
rotation and all. So I'm like more comfortable there. So I will just try to just open my dome light. Let's see, light I had deleted. All right, no problem. I will create a light over here. I'll just isolate this. I thought I have isolated, so dome light is there. Anyway, I have deleted. So what I can do, light layer. I will create one dome light quickly, just to see its light texture effect.
Fine.
I will quickly take V-Ray bitmap. Sorry, VRAYBIT V-Ray bitmap over here. Now whatever I did now, Prasanna, over here,
Okay.
this is again a very basic level. You can go further on that. You can add multiple layer over here.
Fine.
This is just a one way I have showed you,
Okay.
that we can have one material over here,
Okay.
and then we can change the color and apply this masking over here, and to get some natural effect, no,
Okay.
how it look like. But you can take it little further.
Fine.
Try some more fabric texture, because there are so many already there. Just see over here, so many masking options are also there, no.
We can keep trying that. Okay.
Yeah, you can keep trying until you get a very nice realistic output.
Fine.
And it's look really nice, no. It's
Okay.
not just simple random texture is everywhere.
Okay.
Some person is little darker. It gives a natural look. Natural things are how some mud, some dust is there, no.
Okay.
And when the light effect will come now, that will give more effect. Like some person will be more darker, some person will be a little lighter.
Fine, sir.
So it will look more natural.
Okay.
Means some dusty should be there, no. It's not should be even everywhere.
Correct. Correct.
It will give such effects. So you can take it more further. I'm doing it with the light, and then we'll try something else with the texture. Okay.
Sure.
Okay, so just I get my SDRI map. One second now, where I have saved fabric. Right click, open new window, minimize material, SDRI map 20 day view, this one. Okay. I take open this one. Yeah, it's came from here, spherical. And where is my light property? It should be applied on, where is the map? Okay, we just quickly see environment, is something is applied over there or not. Render environment, I will apply the same thing over here as well. Okay, it's done. Over here also it's done. Let's see now render view, what's result I'm getting.
Okay.
Let's test. I will not change anything on render. Let's just render and see. Just see quickly. I see this should not be very high. That will take some time.
Okay.
And displacement is off. Okay, we use displacement. Acha, we are going to use displacement. Huh? Remember,
Right. Sir. Okay.
we use displacement. For rug, we have used Vira displacement. No, we try to do this, and we try to use displacement. What do you say? Displacement.
We will give, sir. We'll give.
We do lots of R&D.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, frame buffer. Let's say test render. One second. I think this is coming from the camera view, no?
There's no camera, no, sir. We are not.
I don't know. This should not be. Wait, let me lock. Because here
There's
I
no
am so
camera right
zoomed.
now.
Yeah, because I have zoomed over here. It should come very close to view, no? It's not coming like that. It should go. Yeah, now it's coming very close. See? Now it's coming proper.
Right.
Let's see. I have to increase light.
Sir, in
Text.
environment we can still make it as invisible, no?
This one background.
Background, yes.
Background.
We need that background.
Yeah, it's okay with me. No
Okay,
problem.
fine. Okay.
Why texture is not visible, Prasanna?
What's that?
Texture is not visible. Why?
Texture, huh? It is too bright, I think.
No, it's
Huh.
not too bright. See, just 3. I'll give 1. Okay, chalo. See, now also texture not visible. What's going on?
But we have applied UV also, no sir? UV has been already applied.
Huh? So what happened? Let me do a quick test. I will apply. I will create a box. Arey, when I am doing R&D, na that time I was getting a very nice result.
Huh.
Now I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Let me test with this. I will apply same material. No,
Okay.
this should be visible here. See, here you can see proper.
Yes.
On render also you should see proper result.
Sir, how much is the resolution?
1K.
1K. Okay.
Then also something you must be seen. No,
Yeah.
1K also is good. It's not that bad. 1K also good. It's not that bad. I don't know what is happening. My texture is not visible. Acha, wait. Overhead material, render setting. I always use overhead material, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is my habit. Every time I use overhead. So maybe that's the reason. See, now it's coming.
Right.
Yeah, now I will see my sofa. Uh, it's with dim light. Let me increase the light intensity. Before it was 3, no?
Yeah. Please.
That's too bright. Let's pick 2. 2 is okay. What your review on this? You tell me, Prasanna.
We can see dark and light shades.
Yeah, it's coming proper. It's
Yes.
now it's not even, no? It's uneven kind of.
It's uneven kind. We can see lots
Yes.
of dark and light shades.
Yes.
So wherever the light is falling, it is more brighter.
Brighter and
Wherever less light is falling, it is
yes.
lighter.
And when we use this displacement, it will more add on that, no?
Right. Correct.
It will more add on that. So giving quite natural effect.
Okay. Yes.
All right.
Okay.
So what I can do, I can keep this much,
Okay.
and now your homework is to take this to another level.
Okay.
Will you do that?
Sure, we can do
Just
that.
just try it. Otherwise, just get it on the class. Whatever difficulties you face, we'll do it on class.
Okay.
Now, what you have to do, just composite material. No, add
Okay.
few more layers, maybe 1 or 2 layers. Just add
Okay.
one more layer.
Okay.
Get one more texture from here. Where is the fabric? Here.
Okay.
Whatever
Okay.
you feel like,
Fine.
whatever you feel like, take one more texture.
Okay.
Suppose this one.
Okay.
Actually, original one, this is applied. This I was looking for. Now I got. Now I got this. I was looking for.
Okay.
The original this thing which I made, no, with my student, I used this texture.
Okay.
So we can use this one. I'm just doing it. For my third layer,
Okay.
I will use this texture for my third layer. To go over here. 1 second. Okay, applied. Now we can apply a mask. See, now this is everywhere.
Okay.
I don't want like that.
Okay.
Let's apply a mask.
So we need a different mask again.
Yes. Let's try some different mask altogether. Let's go fabric. What's say about this?
No problem, sir. We'll take it.
Yes, let's try. It's looking like it is stone from here. And you see the inner portion.
Yes, sir.
No. It should
You
not
will
like
take
that
multiple.
also. Will not take. Should look like that also. What I can say over here, no, the pattern over here should be similar.
Okay.
The texture should be similar. You see, the first one which we have took
Okay.
uh, uh, is this kind of the lines are very small. The you see the what you say, the pattern over here is smaller, no?
Okay. Yes, correct.
But now what we have took, it has a bigger pattern,
Okay.
a different pattern altogether.
Okay.
You see the lines.
This is a proper pattern.
Yeah, this is the proper pattern, but both are not going together.
Okay. So
Let
we
take
should bring that same pattern once again.
yeah, we can either we can take same pattern or similar kind of pattern,
Okay.
or what we can take wrinkles. Can we try wrinkles over there? We have some
Sure.
wrinkles also. We have some wrinkles also. I have seen somebody somewhere nice wrinkles. This is for this what you
Leather.
say, leather.
Leather.
This will more work look good on leather effect.
Okay.
This we have used. This is same yellow color. Let's try this one. Wrinkles is there. Oh, we can try this one. This one looking nice. First, we need a pattern. That is a masking. That is a masking. This is a masking over here. I think I should leave this to you. Otherwise, whole class will go in just one sofa only.
I will try, sir. I will try.
I am leaving this for you. Just experiment with this. Take nice and just get some nice effect. I'm leaving this much only.
Okay.
You improvise more on this. Okay.
Sure. Sure.
So let's move further. Otherwise,
Okay.
we will not learn new things. I will just teach you new things, new ideas,
Okay.
and your job is to take those ideas to another level and get some nice work. Okay.
Okay. Fine.
Okay. Let's come out of isolation mode. F3. Cushions are simple. Simple colors will be there. Nothing much to do with that.
Okay. Just apply the texture for the cushion.
Just apply the texture on cushions, and you can apply displacement over there. It look more natural.
Okay.
So I will just do it quickly.
Okay.
1 second. Fabric. I have one cushion, very nice. There are multiple cushion textures available on internet also.
Okay.
I have very few with me, so I will just try this one, which I feel like. Just try to download from internet multiple colorful, very nice cushions.
Okay.
1 second, no. What I'm looking for? Material editor. Quickly, I will bring my cushion texture, one of cushion texture. Video material. Diffuse. Acha, that video displacement we have used the black and white of the same texture, na? Last class, you remember?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
But one of my project I used displacement some different style. I will tell you what I have used. Let me do this first. Alright, so simple.
Yeah.
Okay, texture is applied. Okay, now let's try displacement on this. What I have used there,
Okay.
I have used what the name, cellular. You know cellular?
Similar. Yeah, tried once, sir. Okay.
Yes, this I have used for. You see this one?
Okay.
Put preview.
Okay.
We need to work on this, and it will give you a very nice up and down or displacement effect.
Fine, sir.
Like the woolen things have up and down kind of effect.
Okay.
The stitches are up and down. It will give such effects. So actually, what now? It has some parameters, some settings over here.
Okay.
So I have just saved those. Just 1 second. I will just start that one which I have used.
Okay.
This one. This cellular. You see this one?
Yeah.
I will start open preview. This I have used for my rug. You see the black and white small dots are there, no?
Okay.
So it will give a very nice or bumpy effect of some
Fine.
woolen or some this thing.
Okay.
For the rug and all, I have used this one.
Okay.
So I will just send you this. Just see
Okay.
the, or I will just copy that this thing. What you say, the properties over here.
Okay.
Over here by default you have this tiling over here. So I just change the tiling is 2.5, 2.5 by 2.5.
Okay.
This one. And by default you will also have here some 5.511,
Okay.
which I have changed to 1, that is extremely small size, you see over here,
Okay.
and 0.5 spread and 0.1.
Okay.
So this I have changed a bit. And what
Okay.
I have changed over here,
Okay.
this something I have changed over this settings only I have changed.
But even that colors also you have changed it, I think. You make it more black.
Yes, more blackish I have done.
Okay.
So this gave me a very nice gave me a very nice effect. So just I have saved this settings,
Okay.
no? Every
Fine.
time you don't remember the settings, what are the settings and all.
Correct. Correct.
Okay, so let's try this. Object select, V displacement, displacement, right? V displacement, and cellular map should be over here.
Okay.
That's all. 3D and length and all amount we will see after render. Let's try to render this.
Fine.
Let's see what effect we're getting. This one only, no? Okay, where is my frame buffer? I think this is over here. Acha, in render setting I have to on this displacement. This cross check displacement is on.
Yes.
Alright. Too
The
much.
displacement is too much.
Just we will what we can do. A small reason. Easy for to render and see. Amount. This one is no. How much should I take?
0.1.
0.1. Yes. 0.01. You see? You get nice bumpy effect over here.
Okay.
You can increase amount a bit. 0.03. No, 0.02. 0.015. I think that is okay. 0.015 is good. This is not going with the pattern.
Okay.
This will go with the smaller this thing arrays. Let's try something else. It's okay. We have many options.
Okay.
Let's start material. This will go with which pattern? I'll tell you. If you have something like this, no, this kind of very small dots.
Yes, without any stripes.
Yes, without any stripes. This will work with those.
Uniform.
Go to. Acha, now same thing you will do for all other the cushions over here, no, all the sofa set,
Fine.
and for rug as well, no.
Okay. Rug already been done, no?
Already done. Already. Just you have to just test and then see. It should come proper.
And for the sofas, I have to add the stem material.
Yes. Now let's do this curtains.
Okay.
This two fabric is only left. One is sofa set and rug, and now curtains. Okay, F3. I think this is in group open. First deal with this one. So what happened now? My concept was this would be very much transparent, and this would be less transparent. This would be more darker shade of curtains.
Okay.
This will block more lights, and this will be lighter shade of curtain. This will allow lights to pass through, no? Like 90%, 80% lights would pass through.
Okay.
This will be little glow, like whitish glow,
Okay.
and this will be little dark color curtains,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So that was my concept, so I will
Fine.
follow that only.
Okay.
For this you can use either white color, or if you have any pattern, let's see if I have any fabric, white color fabric over here. This also looking nice, I can use this as a bump map.
Okay.
If you don't have any colorful texture, now we can create something in
Fine.
material. Let's create it.
Okay.
Again, same way, we have to take composite.
Okay.
We can composite color and pattern. What I can do, I can make a copy of this. I will select everything and make a copy of
Okay.
this. For safe side, let's change name.
Total.
Alright, and here I don't need 3, I need just 2. I will remove one. How to remove? Let me see. uh, 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 uh. I'm not getting how to delete this.
Or well, you can switch off that, sir. Uncheck that.
This one, like this.
Uncheck.
And
Hide that layer.
this is only option to hide.
Hide the layer. Hide the layer. We can hide it a little bit.
Yes. Oh, we can just remove this mask from here.
Okay.
Just 2 is enough.
Okay.
Alright, and we need a color on first, so we will take V-Ray color. There should be gap. V-Ray color, let's take V-Ray color. Let's take white color,
Okay.
my first layer. Alright. Alright, now on second one I need that pattern. Where is that pattern? 1 second. Fabric, this one, no? This
Okay.
one I need. This one I need on my second layer. Preview window. This masking is not looking good.
Okay.
Masking is not giving a good effect. Masking not giving a good effect. Then we have to blend. If you are not using masking now,
Okay.
you have to blend. Otherwise, whatever on top of the layer now, that will be more visible. You see this one?
Yes. Yes, sir.
That will be going to override the bottom one.
Then we can directly go to the blend material, sir.
Yes. Here
Instead
is
of compositing, we can directly take the blend material. And,
yes.
we can do
Right.
it.
Of course. You can take blend material also. I will try something else. Let's see if I get a good ops. This is also looking good. What about if I change opacity? Okay, let's
Okay.
take this much only.
Okay.
White color with some pattern.
Fine.
White color with some pattern. And I just have to apply this, and on my opacity I can use a pattern again for my opacity. Let me, for opacity I need black and white. Nice colorful. No, this is too much. This can be used. I'm going to use this one, black
Okay.
and light color for opacity.
Okay.
If this doesn't work, then I will change it.
Fine.
This one will be opacity, so black and gray color will help me to control the opacity of the my curtain. Where is opacity? Alright, some
Okay.
type of this you will see. Now let's apply, select curtain.
The opacity is 100% now.
Yes, we need to go over here to property, and we have to see what is the opacity over here. Excuse me. What is the opacity? It is 100%. Okay, let's take
Yes.
50%. Alright, let's take a test render, because here we will not be able to see. We need to take a test render, a nice one. Let's come out of this. Here pattern are looking proper, but why not? I can see those pattern over here.
So that light has to pass, no, sir, backside. You have to give a create. Will you create an Evera light?
Acha, I have to get a rear light also. What? No, but transparency should be there.
Okay.
At least it should look transparent, no? Acha,
Yeah,
yeah,
under that the
transparency.
light without.
No, transparency is there. It's coming there. See, pattern is also there. Actually, what happened now? I need to go a little high res. You see, it's coming. Pattern is coming,
Okay.
but it is low res, so it is not. Anyway, we go for high res also. Let's first do something with the opacity first.
Okay.
I want it to be little more this
Okay.
transparent. Yeah. So right now I gave how much? 50%, no?
50%.
This one. Let's take 20%. I want it to let light to pass through once.
No, you should increase, no, sir.
Acha, I should increase what?
70%, 75%.
Acha, 70%.
Yeah. now-
Okay. Yes. Perfect. Nice. And nice. I think some more light may be needed to make it as a little more
Yeah,
glow
we
effect.
need to add a Vera light backside.
Very light, yeah. It will be more glow. It will
glow.
have some
So,
more light
yes,
effect.
opacity, we can see the opacity intensity, how much it is.
Yes, it is done. So I think this is done for curtain.
Okay.
Let's do the darker curtain. So I think more light, it will look more beautiful.
Yeah.
If you add some more lights over there. Anyway,
Okay.
let's continue. This
Can
is
copy
the
the same material and decrease the opacity and change the color. So that's done.
yes. We can do that. What I can do over here, I will just select everything, copy it once again over here, and for safety reason I change the name. Alright, over here now, change the color. Maybe we take some darker color. Purple, can I get purple?
Any color.
Let's take purple. It is already selected. Apply. So, and opacity will not be that much. It should be no, sorry, it's bump map. Array,
Up.
I
Up.
was
Same. Up.
yes. Let's take 20. It is pattern is visible there, no? Pattern is there.
Okay.
Yes, it's visible. Uh, mm, mm, mm. Let's take both. I have. Mm, mm, mm. First, I will opacity. I will reduce the opacity. I want to see the pattern first. Yeah, it is coming, no? You see?
Yeah.
Lines is coming. I just
Yes.
want to see this patterns coming or not. Okay. I want this to be more prominent. It's not darker. Let's go to composite. I have reduced the opacity now here.
Okay.
Let's time to increase the opacity. I want, see?
Okay.
Now it's looking much better. No, I can see
Fine,
the
sir.
pattern prominent.
Okay.
Now I will try to reduce the opacity little bit, not much.
Okay.
Opacity I want to take 10. Okay, 30. Too much. 20. Actually, what now? I'm not happy with this one. Opacity. This one not giving me a good result. Let me try to change this.
Fine, sir.
I'm getting opacity, this opacity properly, but I want it should look like I'm seeing through what you say, the rays.
Yeah.
It's like a straight line. It's a straight line. It's looking like a opacity is a straight line. No, I somewhat like this. Somewhat like this.
Okay.
Let me try this one.
Fine.
What result I'm getting? I think little high res I can get the proper view. I will reduce size a bit and let's go for high res. Render is going on. I want to see those lines. I want to see those lines. You getting my concept, Prasanna?
I
What I'm
understood,
trying
sir.
to get over
Understood, sir.
here.
Understood.
You take a real curtain and see there
Okay.
how the light passes through the real curtain, no?
Okay.
So, like it's somewhat like this. The white area will be transparent and the nearby black area will be not that much transparent. Just
Okay.
like rays fabric on top of one another.
Okay.
So I can use this one.
I think we have used that one now, sir.
No, 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 no. This one is different. You see, this one is different.
Okay.
This is 38. No, no. Acha, that one only.
Same, I think, sir.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Little different. Little difference is there.
Sir.
That I am not getting, Prasanna.
I think we need to add a light, sir. So then we'll get that.
Okay. So we leave it till here
And then-
now.
Okay.
We'll do with the proper lighting.
Proper lighting, then we'll get that.
Yes, yes, yes. Anyway, I'm going
There's
to
no
stop.
sharp rays coming in, sir. No, we are not created any sharp rays.
Yeah, we are getting way less light over here. No.
Less light or so. Or we can do is we can increase the HDRI intensity, sir. Just see.
There should be some light source, some backside or front side.
Yeah. Increase the intensity and see HDRI.
Then you will get those effect
We'll
over
try.
here.
It's 3. You can make it 5 or 4.
5 will be very high. Wait, just see this.
This is,
Coming proper now.
yes. Now we can see the light cups, so the light sources coming inside.
It is there. It is coming. Small boxes I can see.
Yes, yes.
Small box I can see. See, actually, what happened? I have to do with some UVW also, because what happened now? You see here pattern, this one, dark light. It is coming, but I have to do something with the UVW.
Okay.
So what I was expecting, I am getting that. You see, this one is lighter.
Okay.
This one is darker.
Okay.
So that what I was expecting.
So we have to match the UVW.
The
now.
UVW is only remaining.
Yes,
Alright, it's okay. UVW only is the issue, no? No problem. So it's done, almost it's done.
Okay.
UVW is simple. You just have to arrange UVW a bit and you will get the idea. Let's see what else is left. What else is left to be done? I think everything else is simple to do.
Okay.
Just simple plain color with little bit of reflectivity.
Okay.
Try to complete as many objects as you can.
Okay.
Next, just leave this plant and this. Next class we try to cover that. You try the wall and this pattern. This pattern is also same.
Okay.
You have to fill. It has some metal. You have the reference image with you.
Yes, sir. I have it.
You
I
have
have
reference.
it. I have it.
Just
Yes,
see on reference image. Na, it has some golden line over here, as you have did on the ceiling. No, false
yes.
ceiling.
Same. I have. Yes, same. I have to apply.
Same color pattern will be applied over here, because it will go on a same what you say, same tonality, no,
Okay.
same pattern.
Okay.
So same thing you can copy it out here. It will be
Fine,
done.
fine.
Same material you can do it here all over
Fine.
the place. TV, it's simple. We do it, no problem. Just glow material. We have to wear light material for TV screen
Yes. Okay.
and reflective material for the background.
Fine. Sir.
Floor we did. Acha, floor you were telling something about the floor, no?
Yeah. Patterns.
Patterns. Why don't you get some reference image for that? We will try that.
Okay.
Give me before the class, so that I can also do some R&D over here if I get time.
Fine. Sir.
I will
We'll
prepare
just see-
my.
No, we will just see some patterns, flooring patterns, images. We'll download that and try to have the same flooring pattern.
Yes. Do that, and send me the images and all.
Okay. Fine. Sure.
Meanwhile, try to complete this. It's simple. Nothing else is left. And other things are simple reflective material you give. Try to put reflection in almost most of the objects. Huh?
Okay.
It will help you in color correction there.